Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because it is an introduction to a new project pan, and it is called the Whole Collection Project Pan. So if you're interested in seeing what this project is about, then just keep on watching. So this project was not created by me. I will have the original creator's channel linked down below in the description, but essentially what it means is that we itemized all of our collection in a spreadsheet, and we randomly generate a number of products that we will be working on throughout the whole year. I was inspired by It's Just Steph and Emily and Max here on YouTube. I will have their channels linked down below as well to do this project. It is a massive collaborative effort. There is a bunch of other ladies that are doing this project here on YouTube and also on Instagram. We have an Instagram group chat where we just kind of cheer each other up and, you know, kind of support each other basically. We don't upload on the same day, and I guess people have kind of tweaked this project to the way that, you know, kind of works for them. So if you're interested in joining this project, then just leave me a comment down below and I will add you to the group chat, and there we just basically just support each other. So I personally have 4 rules in this particular project. Number 1, I only want to work on 1 item per category. So 1 lipstick, 1 liquid shadow, 1 eyeliner. I don't want to work on like 3 eyeliners at a time. Do you know what I mean? So that's my rule number 1. Number 2, I have not included eyeshadow palettes in my spreadsheet because I am doing a Avantvous eyeshadows project pan where I solely focus on panning eyeshadows. Number 3, I decided to only pan 5 products. Usually the girls pan 10 products, but I feel like that would be a little bit overwhelming for myself, so I only decided to pan 5 products. And also there is no skincare in this project. It's just solely makeup based. But yeah, basically those are my rules. This is the gist of the project. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to pull up my spreadsheet where I have itemized all of my items that are eligible to either use up, pan, or, you know, have a usage goal. And then I am going to go into my pretty random app, and I am going to randomize 5 numbers which will correlate to the products that I will be working on. I'm actually going to just move a little bit over here, and I'm going to screen record my screen so that you can see, you know, the randomizing and everything in action, and actually seeing the products that I am going to be choosing. So I am now gonna go into this is my spreadsheet. I have 189 eligible products to pan. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my pretty random map, and I'm going to change the selection 1 through 189. Right, perfect. And I am going to randomize 5 numbers. So the first number is 60. I'm just going to write it down so that I know. 60. The second number is 51. That's very low numbers. The third number is 27. Okay. The fourth number is 168, and the last number is 74. So as I mentioned before, if I have any repeat products in the same category, I will just re-roll. So let's go back to my spreadsheet, and number 60 is my Colourpop Lunar Has It blush. So I'm just going to highlight that so that I know this is what I'm working on. Number 51 is my, oh, this is another blush, so I am going to re-roll for that. I don't want to work on two blushes. Number 27 is my Lacura Loose Translucent Powder. Well, that's interesting. And number 168 is my St. Luxe Cupid Lip Liner. Okay. And then number 74, let's take a look. Number 74 is my Huda Beauty Liquid Liner. Wow, okay. So let's just go back to my pretty random app and let's just roll again for the 51. And I get number 55. I hope it's not another blush, but let's see. 55 is another blush, so we are re-rolling again. And I have number 65. Okay, 65. Ooh, let's see. 65 is a blush trio. Oh my god, come on. Let's try again. 29. Okay, let's see what that is. 29 is my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. Okay, so that's very interesting. We have a wide range of products, so let me actually just stop the recording, move over here. I'm going to grab all of these products and then I'll show them to you and I will tell you about my goals. Okay, so I have fished out all of my products, so let's start off with the first one that I chose, that rolled in for me basically, and it is the Colourpop Lunar Has It blush, and this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful kind of peachy type of a blush. This is what it looks like here, and my goal for this will be to hit pan on it. I know it is a hefty goal because I'm not quite sure how deep these pans are. I mean, I can pop it out, but I don't want to do it now. But judging by Colourpop eyeshadows, I think they're quite deep, so I want to hit pan on this. I know it will be challenging, but I'm up for the challenge. Then for my next product was my Lacura Loose Translucent Powder. Now basically this is in my Shop My Stash at the moment, and I do not have a lot of it left. This is where I'm at. Actually, I will have some progress picture for you, and I also will keep track of it, you know, keep track of how many uses I had done throughout the month. But my goal for this guy will be to use it up completely. Then the next one was this St. Luxe Cupid Lip Liner, and this is brand new. I haven't used it yet, but let me give you a little swatch of how it looks. It is a beautiful, oh, and it just broke off. Okay, well, that means I will be sharpening that, but this is the color right here. It is a beautiful kind of movie pink kind of shade, so whew, this is going to be interesting. I think I would like to use it up to right about here where the writing begins. So right about there. I will put it on a piece of paper so that, you know, we can actually track the progress. But I think this is an attainable goal. It will take me a couple of months to actually, you know, use it that much, but I think it is a nice challenging goal, but not, you know, not to the point where I will be frustrated. Then I have my Huda liquid liner. So there are two sides to it. There is a pencil and also there is the liquid. It is hard to keep track of, you know, how much product is in there, so I am going to set myself a usage goal of using this 25 times before I can roll it out. This is going to be quite difficult for me because I usually put a liquid liner in my Shop My Stash, so, you know, trying to manipulate it between the two of them will be quite challenging. So, you know, I might roll it out next month, I might not. I guess we will see. And then the last product that I have is my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer, and this is what it looks like. I have a nice dip going on here. So basically my goal will be to hit pan on this bronzer. I can see a little bit of pan showing through because I have actually repressed it already, but I want to have a significant amount of pan before I can roll it out. So I want to see, you know, I just don't want to see that teeny, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Do you see that? I am not counting this as pan. I want to have a significant pan before I can roll this out. I love this bronzer. It is so beautiful. It's the bronzer that I'm wearing right now, and it is stunning. But yeah, that completes today's video. That completes my whole collection of Project Pan introduction. I'm super excited about these products. I have a, you know, wide range of products basically. Oh, actually I didn't swatch this foil, so let me give you a swatch. It is a beautiful, beautiful neutral type of bronzer. Anyway, like I said, I have a nice range of products that I can work on, and you know, I think it's going to be great, to be honest. I can't wait to see other ladies' introductions and just cheer each other up, and I can't wait to see my own progress. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.